Hi everyone. So today we are going to build a new model. So today we are going to build a new model on wildfire protection. So what is wildfire protection? So basically in India there are many wildfires occurs, especially in Jammu and Kashmir and all. So it says that 54.40% forest in India are exposed to occasional fires. And even the incident happened in Amazon rainforest, which is in 2019, where several acres of land has been wasted because of this wildfire. So what can computer vision do with respect to wildfire? So how it is going to help and all. Okay, so let us look into it. Okay, so what would be the applications of using computer vision in wildfire protection? Okay, so we'll discuss that. So the first thing is that early detection. Say if the fire is small part, then preventing that will be very easy. When compared to the fire which is already covered some acres of land, so to stop that fire is very hard. So early detection is one thing, and second thing is that the monitoring the fire behavior. Say the behavior of wildfires in real time, including the direction, the speed of the fire, as well as the size and the intensity of the flames. Okay, so this kind of information or this kind of behavior of the fire also we can monitor. And third thing is that risk assessment. Okay, wildfires in different areas based on the risk of the wildfires. It's based on the weather. Say if the wind is too much, and the risk of stopping the fire is we can't stop the fire if the wind is too high. Okay, and also the terrain. Okay, if it is mountain or if it is a plain land or something, plain surface, and also the vegetation is also important. Okay, so these kind of things that we can see by using this computer vision model. Okay, so this can be used in flights or flying some drone on top of the sky. Okay, so like this you can assess the wildfire. Okay, and the final thing is that the last point is that firefighter assistance. That also covers to the same thing, risk assessment. And fire mapping is also other application, I would say. Say computer vision can be used to map the extent of fire by analyzing the images and videos taken from various sources. So this can provide authorities with accurate information about the location and the size of the fire. And vegetation analysis also I just discussed. So these are all kinds of applications we can use if we build a model by using wildfire data. Okay, so we can build a wildfire model. Okay, let us try to build that. So for this model, I'm going to use FisherNet V3. Pardon me guys, like the video I did not get recorded, so I'll just show you quickly what I've done. So I've created a wildfire protection model. So I've used a FisherNet V3 version for this model. So the moment I went on, I created two classes for this. The one is wildfire, and second one is no wildfire. So these are the two classes that I've added. So in wildfire classes, I can see that I've added 500 images in wildfire. Okay. Similarly, for no wildfire also, I've added 500 images, and all these images are satellite images, not a drone shot or something. So that's it. I've added two classes. So now I'll go start training. I've already started training in that past video, but the video didn't get recorded. Okay, so I've started training. So now the model is running in the pipeline. So we'll do the testing phase once the training notification is, once the training is done for this model. So the moment I get the notification, then I can go with the other phases. Okay. Hi again. So our model got trained. So we'll go to the next step. So the training phase is done. So let us you can look here the accuracy. So our accuracy was 96% reach, and the validation accuracy was 95%, right? So we uploaded it with 500 images wildfire and 500 of no wildfire images. Just try testing the model once. Here you can start testing, and then you can choose a file. So let me try testing one with Wildfire. Yeah, so the model has stated correctly that it is 96% confident that this image is a Wildfire image. Okay. Let us also try one with the no Wildfire. Yeah. And the model has predicted that this image is 87% confident that this is not a wildfire. Okay, so that's how we build a model and you test the model. So now if you want to integrate this model, like whatever the model which you built in your local environment, we Navan.ai platform has three, we had developed three, in which one is download model files. Okay, so you can read the instructions, you can follow the instructions, and you can download this. And similarly, we have download Docker image, where we need to install Docker software in your local environment before you downloading this. And third one, we also provide you the API services too. You can also deploy your model as an API too. Okay, so that's how our export model works, and that's how the model building works, like starting on training to testing and then export. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this model. I hope that you also start building models by using Navan.ai platform. Thank you.